Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to another mini series. I've spoken about this before and I actually don't even know if I should be calling it a mini series because I don't know how often I will be bringing these videos back. And my hair right here is like Today's video is going to be another affordable drugstore makeup review. So I've been eyeing this product for quite some time. I follow L'Oreal. I follow a bunch of drugstore brands on my Instagram because you guys know I am drugstore obsessed. So when I saw that L'Oreal was releasing this flash cat eye that contains this little stencil, I was like, oh, I need to review this. You guys, I haven't been wearing eyeliner in 2019. Like I just kind of like got over wearing eyeliner and I just really enjoy having a pretty eye look and just popping on some lashes. I feel like sometimes a wing liner can take away from like the look, but there's times like these where I'm just wearing very basic makeup and I love me a good thick liner. For today's Waste or Worth It Wednesday, we're going to be testing out this baby out. I'm going to show you guys if it's easy to use, if it's even worth it. Like, is this a gimmick? Is this actually going to work? Like, what's the deal with this stencil? As always, if you guys are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe and join my little lash baby family. We are growing. I love every single one of you. And for those of you that have been here for months, years, weeks, welcome back. Yeah, I don't think I have anything really to say besides I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's jump right into this review. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in so we can see this live in action. Let's see if it works. So this is again the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye by the Infallible brand or the Infallible line. This is what it actually looks like. So as you can see, it comes with the little stencil. So all you gotta do is literally just pull it down or up. So you just pull it up. And once you get it, then this is what the stencil looks like. I'm going to pull up the Ulta website to give you a little bit more information on the product. You guys know that I always like to give you as many details as I can. So this says L'Oreal Paris introduces a Flash Cat Eye waterproof all-day liquid eyeliner. This brush tip eyeliner has a removable wing stencil to help achieve precise wings in a flash. Liquid liner look can be achieved with or without a stencil. So that's pretty cool, and it also tells you how to use it. I mean, I think it makes, sounds like pretty self-explanatory, and this retails for $9.99. So first things first, we are going to, I like to shake my eyeliners to make sure that all like the liquid goes to the very tip. Now opening up the product, this is what the felt tip is like. So it's very thin, very pointy, which makes it super easy. That is pigmented and that is dark. I really like that you can really maneuver it however you want, if you want a thicker line or a thinner line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by outlining my regular wing, which I always start at the beginning of my eye and then I move on to the end. So we're going to see how easy this is to apply. Wow, that is crazy pigmented. I'm putting like barely any pressure on it and I am getting so much color payoff. Wow, that is extremely black, extremely pigmented. So now we're going to take our little wing applicator. Let's see if this even makes a difference. Now, I think this is perfect for beginners if you are learning how to do your wing eyeliner. I feel like I've kind of have it down. I've perfected it, but sometimes my wings are like a little bit crooked. One's like throwing a gang sign on this side and then the other one's straight. So I feel like this is also just going to help you perfect the wings. So if you guys can see this, that is what you're supposed to use. Now looking at it, I feel like you can almost use it any way that you want because it is such a long little applicator. So let's see how easy it is. Now, it depends on how you like your wing. I personally like a very dramatic wing, especially when I'm not doing eyeshadow. I love a thick, thick eyeliner. So we're going to try and achieve that. I'm also going to try and use this side to see if we can get that to work. So again, so you grab your stencil. I'm not sure how you actually, let's see. So it makes sense, right, for you to use it this way. Yep. That actually didn't do a bad job. I think I didn't align it right. But the idea is there. And I'm going to try and connect this now. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm actually going to use this to help me guide and draw a thinner, not a thinner line. I mean, that eyeliner is pretty thick already. But I'm going to try and make it a little bit like longer, if that makes sense. So I'm going to connect it there. That actually worked. She is thick. Okay, so really quickly, I'm going to grab a little bit of concealer and I'm just going to clean this up because I messed it up. And I'm just going to clean the wing. So I really like that it is easy to clean up. Like, it's not smudging, it's not really staining my lid, because there's some eyeliners that will just ruin your entire look. So I would say that if you are going to try this eyeliner, definitely try it before you apply your foundation and try it before you have your actual eyeshadow on, because if you do mess up, which you might mess up the first few times, once you get the hang of it, I feel like it would definitely be like easier for you just to use it. Let's try it on this side, which is my left side. My left side is not my dominant hand, so let's see how easy it is. Again, I am going to just draw my wing to start. So on this side, I am actually going to try to use this, because even though this little stencil says, you know, that you're supposed to use it with only this, but again, you can use it or you can do whatever you like. Can I even show you guys? So yeah, I'm just going to use this long side to see if I can also create a wing, because I mean, if you want to create a wing that long, be you, but I think I'm just going to try and do it close to this one. Wow. And then it would just be easier to connect. From there. So my wings are definitely not even, but for me personally, wow, I think I prefer this side a lot better. Again, I think it's more of a personal preference depending on how thick, how long you want your wing liner. But either way, I think this stencil is like kind of universal, where you can use it for a small little wing. You can use it even on this side, like the actual tip, just like this. You don't even have to put this. Even if you were to just use this side, like it's a perfect guidance for drawing the line. And then again, if you are a little more dramatic like me, you can use it either like this, how I used it, where you can just place it like that. You can also use it like this, and it might be actually easier for you to hold it like this. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and finish or fix the eyeliner, pop on some lashes. And yeah, that'll be this really quick review. Love this eyeliner. Oh my god, it is so precise. I actually used it to like make a little snatched inner corner, and I love it. I love how dark it is. I love how easy it was to use, super affordable and super easy to access. So is this a waste or is this worth it? In my personal opinion, in my humble opinion, I think this eyeliner is totally worth it. I think it is like super beginner friendly. Again, if you are trying to master the wing liner, I highly suggest this. And even if you're advanced, if you know how to do a wing, but you have a hard time like getting them to be a little bit even, I still suggest this. $9, you can't go wrong. Love the quality. I love how dark it is. I will have you guys updated in the description box how long it wears, but so far I don't have any issues with it. If you guys are wondering what lashes I am wearing on my eyes right now, I have the style Drama Queen from my collection with Lash Kitty. This is my little Glam On collection. You get 4 lashes for a crazy affordable price, and if you use my discount code OMGlashes, you save 20%. And I am living for the thick, bold wing liner with the big, bold, thick lashes. Yes, so totally worth it, you guys. I hope you guys pick it up, and if you do, please let me know your thoughts on it, if you like it, or if you are going to pick it up, or if you're going to skip on it. Always let me know, because I love talking to you guys and responding back. Thank you guys for joining me today for this Waste or Worth It Wednesday. I love you, chicas and chicos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!